Alright folks, it's the Blackstone Adventure Ready Griddle, or as I call it, the flat top. We're heating up right now because we're going to cook some Wagyu burgers. Look at that marbled fat in there, very nice. Number two. Oh. Well, it happens to the best of us. I ran out of propane. Had to take that tank out, put the new one in. I'm really looking forward to these burgers. This is some great beef Wagyu burgers. It's going to be amazing. I'm going to saute up some mushroom. I got some American cheese or cheddar cheese, and we're going to toast the bun. I'm going to put some spinach leaves on it and some tomato, of course mustard. What the heck? Just warming them up. Okay, so because I forgot to turn on the microphone here, right here I'm saying, take a look at that. Isn't that a burger? So I proceed to sit down, and I start telling you, I put a little salt and garlic on the fries. The burger has, as I mentioned earlier, has a little bit of spinach leaves. It's got some tomato, and it's got sauteed mushrooms, as you've seen, and it's got cheddar cheese. And I mentioned that if you don't like the spinach leaves because they're a little bitter, you can remove the stems and that'll remove some of that bitterness. So here I am trying the french fry with some ketchup, garlic, and salt on it. Now I'm going to take a bite into that beautiful burger, and that was some really good stuff. Wagyu meat, yeah, look at that. I mentioned that I maybe cooked it a little more than I normally would like to, but that meat, you could pretty much be a medium rare person and love it even if it's overcooked. So, I mean, even if it was well done. But here I am displaying how I can stuff food in my face, and I'm enjoying it. It was a little cold out there at the time, but it was well worth it to get a better, view of the food and more appropriate setting than being in the garage. So, till next time, I'm Paulie, and thanks for watching. I really have a good time doing these videos. Thank you, and take care. Also, never forget, never trust a skinny cook. By the way, I did eat both of those burgers. Man, I gotta take care of myself. Later.